aging more like leveling up. Stay with me to find out how. Your journey as a dancer or athlete is an incredible one, but as we age, our bodies start to show signs of wear and tear. So how do we keep moving with grace and strength? First, be kind to yourself, both mentally and physically. Embrace the changes and see them as part of your unique story. A balanced diet is your best friend. Eating the right foods fuels your body and helps it repair. Think fruits, veggies, lean proteins, and lots of water. Next, stretching isn't just for warm-ups. Make it a daily habit. Flexibility and mobility can help keep those joints and muscles happy and healthy. Don't forget to listen to your body. If something feels off, take a break. Rest and recovery are just as important as training. And lastly, keep setting goals. Whether it's mastering a new move or simply maintaining your health, having something to strive for keeps you motivated. Remember, aging gracefully is all about balance and kindness to yourself. Keep dancing, keep moving, and most importantly, keep loving the journey. You've got this. Let's age gracefully together.